Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about formatting the images in your Word document. So let's get started. If you have pictures in your document and you want them to look as good as possible, sometimes that means making a few adjustments like changing the color, adding an effect, or just applying a border to it. To start with it, select the picture you want to modify, and this will open up the Format tab on the right. You'll find everything you need here to edit the image. And first, I'm going to show you how to crop an image to a different size. Just click the crop command and you'll see a series of cropping handles around the edge of the image. You'll need to place your mouse right over these handles or you might grab one of the sizing handles by mistake. Now click and drag the handle and part of the image that is going to be cropped out will be highlighted grey. Just keep making adjustments as needed and then deselect the command or just press enter when you're done. Moving on to next, you may have noticed that there is a drop down arrow below the crop command. If we mouse over crop to shape, we can change the shape of the image so it's not just a square or a rectangle. I'm going to choose this one. See, you can change your shape and you can choose any shape you like. Moving on to next, if you want to change the color or correct the color of the image, you can add some kind of special effect and you can access these options in the Adjust group. For example, if you go to Corrections, you can soften or sharpen the image. Just take a look at the thumbnails to see what it's going to look like. You can also adjust the brightness and contrast. And I think this one looks good. Let's move on and take a look at the color command. You can change the saturation as well as you can change the color tone which controls how warm or cool the image appears. You can even change the color of the picture altogether using the theme colors that are currently applied to your document. I'm just going to change the color tone. Then take a look at the last command in the group, that is the artistic effects. Now you probably don't want to use an artistic effect on every picture, but in some cases they can really help you enhancing your document. For example, I like this effect because it makes the photo looks like a painting or an illustration, and that matches the whole environment and whole look of the document. If you're looking for more ways to enhance your images, you might want to try the picture style group here. You can add frames, drop shadows and other picture effects in all a single click. If you don't like any of the presets, you can use the commands on the right instead in this. For example, I'm going to add my own border and then open the command again to make the weight a little thicker. See, before you send out your document, you may want to compress any pictures that you've added in this file to make the size smaller so the document will be easier to email or post on the web. First, make sure your image is selected and then click the Compress Pictures command. First, notice that there is an option to delete cropped areas of the pictures. This will delete any cropped areas permanently instead of just hiding them so they won't contribute to the file size. You can also change the resolution for the image. The email setting offers the lowest resolution, so it will have the smallest possible file size. Click OK. Moving on to next, you will see that the quality of the image has also changed due to compression. That's not what you want. For example, if you're planning to print the document, instead of sending it online, you'll just have to decide whether you want a higher quality or a lower file size. What is more important to you, depending upon the situation. Now you know how to format pictures in Word and you won't be afraid to try on new type of editing and styles. Thank you.